This purple is actually pretty tight though. This is hot. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It's that time of the year where we get to do all these case reviews for all the upcoming devices. So this is for the S10 Plus. I'll get into some of these bulkier cases first, and we'll get these put on for you. Looks like this is going to be a pink version of this device, right? Of this case right here. So, ladies, this is for you. You've seen this before, but this is how it's going to look on your S10 Plus, the UB Pro. So this thing has the full belt clip, and you've got the instructions here on how to put it on. It'll be really simple though. I got a little bit of grip down there. Supcase is doing it good. You got the kickstand joint. Yeah. And this is going to be the two-piece design. Separate the front. It tells you how to do it. Got a little lip thing right here. Good thing that companies are now getting a little bit more detailed in this, because you can easily break these if you don't. So here's the S10 Plus dummy unit. Shout out to Technically T. And we're going to pop this in here. And you see how your phone is going to look with this case. There it is. And this has a little kickstand, if you didn't know. Just goes out like that. So when you're watching movies and stuff like that, boom, it sits down on the desk. And if you wanted to use the belt clip, goes in like this. This is how it's going to be. There it is. And it looks like they sent over a purple one and a blue one. I don't think there's any need to put on each one of these, but
take this one off. Let's put this back in here. I'll get to this.
So Supcase is doing it big.
Put this to the side.
Let's take a look at the different colors here. Oh, they've got a black, a blue, and a purple. Yeah, no need to put all of these on. Yeah. Let's take a look at the different colors though, for sure. Most people, I'm guessing, will probably grab the black. Some people live on the edge and grab the wild style colors. I actually like the lime green setups, the black and lime green. The black is obviously pretty sweet. This purple is actually pretty sweet, man. But the black is kind of basic, so you already know. Let's bring this one back up here and into view for you. We'll put the purple one on. Now you gotta mix it up. Some people do buy a bunch of different colors. Like I said, I like the black and lime green setups when they're available. But this purple right here is looking pretty hot, man. It's not bad.
So you just pop it out, and you pop your phone in.
And you get some sense. I'll show you what it looks like when it's size comparison with the Galaxy Note 9. Probably see how big it is. This purple is actually pretty tight though. This is hot. Even though I like black, this purple, it's a flat purple. It's really sweet, man. I'm digging it. Yeah, these are all the colors right here. Yeah, black has just become kind of basic, which is why they're making color phones. So you got your power button over here. A little bit of Supcase branding on the side right there. You've got volume rocker and Bixby button. And you've got speaker out, microphone, charging sync cable is covered, and headphone jack is covered, which is sweet. And on the back here, you've got the sloping design here around the camera with that black around it, because you got 3 cameras right there. It's crazy phones now with 3 cameras. And then on the front, you've got 2 cameras up there. You can see the cutout for the earpiece up there, and the fingerprint reader is going to be in the screen, so that's something that you don't have to worry about. But this will be not too big of a phone with this case on it, because it's kind of narrow. But it doesn't add too much bulk. You've got lip protection. If you notice now, most of these things are coming with no screen protection. Well, not most, all of the, well, not all companies, but most companies now have removed the screen protector because people take it out. It's not a good screen protector, and it hurts the touch sensitivity of the phone. But you've got a deep lip protection here. Deep. Really deep lip protection, so that's going to protect it. And the screen is curved, so you got that dip in the case right there. But that's pretty hot, man. I'm really digging this purple for some reason. I don't know what it is. I am digging this purple. It's looking pretty tight, man. I'm feeling that. So this is the UB series, UB Pro, Unicorn Beetle Pro if you're wondering. This will give you some serious drop protection, man. Now they also sent over another series here. Let's move these out of the way. Shout out to the Unicorn Beetle fans. There's a lot of Unicorn Beetle fans out there. Now this one right here has probably got to be one of my favorite cases from them, man. We're gonna go ahead and open this one up, but I'm pretty sure this one is a different color, which is what I really like. So this is the one. This is one of their new series right here.
Beautiful. Beautiful case. Let's get this one off here.
I'm going slow, no rush. Unicorn Beetle Pro, this case right here, it's got to be one of their top selling cases. Easy. I mean, it's got to be one of the top selling cases that they've ever put together. It has to be. Look for some giveaways, folks. Look for some giveaways. Now this brand right here, now this is the Metro. This is one of their newer ones. And they also sent me over another one right there, which is the Sport. I'll show you that one. But this one right here has a texture in the inside. It's kind of a more flexible joint. It's really nice. Pop this on. This one will be really nice to rock with the Plus, man, because it's a big phone, but it's small. It's so thin, you know, so narrow and tall. So the Metro, this is the Unicorn Beetle Metro. You can see the cutouts for the cameras. You've got the power button there, the volume and Bixby there, microphone up top. Make sure you get all your cutouts. You got headphone, charger sync, microphone, and speaker down there. And this phone will definitely have stereo speakers. You got a cutout at the top up there. Now you've got a slight lip protection in this one, but it's still there. There's a lip protection, so if you want to wear tempered glass with this one, you definitely could. This has like a matte feel to it. It's really, really nice. These are all, I'll have a link in the description for these cases that you see here. They're up for pre-order right now, so be sure to hit that link in the description. But this is the case. Now, probably of all of these cases is the one I saved for last. This has got to be my favorite of all of these. And this is the Unicorn Beetle Sport. And why is it my favorite? You already can see it right there. You already can see it right there. Look at that. This goes in line with the Apple Watch, in my opinion. The band that they have, the Nike, this is clean right here, folks. This has got to be one of the cleanest cases I have ever seen. This is crazy. It's actually a pretty tough case too. It's not wimpy. It's sturdy. You got a nice Supcase logo on the side right there with the bright yellow neon lime green look. You got all the little cutouts throughout the case. I'm gonna put it on real quick. I will wear this case indefinitely on my device. No other case is needed after seeing this case. It's for real. It's crazy. So you got a cutout obviously for the cameras on the back. You got your power button. You got your volume and Bixby. And this whole case is just rubberized. It's just full of grip. All cutouts and ports on the bottom are there. Headphone jack, charging sync, microphone, and speaker cutout down there. And you've got the microphone cutout on the top, and then obviously the cutout at the top up there. This too has a little bit of lip protection, not as much obviously as the Unicorn Beetle Pro, but this is for that person who's not accident prone, who wants style first and just mild protection. This is the hottest case design I've seen, not just for this phone, period. This is just one of the hottest case designs I've ever seen. Straight up and down. This thing is gorgeous. That is what it is, folks. I absolutely love this case. And I wish I could get this for every phone, man. This thing is hot. If you have a black phone or a white phone or a light color phone, I think this will look really good with it. A gray phone, something of that nature. This case is fire. Straight up and down, man. I like this case so much, man. Wow. This is the Unicorn Beetle Sport. And all these are up for pre-order, man. So make sure you hit the links in the description down below. There they are, folks. Unicorn Beetle Pro full series in black, purple, blue, pink. Then you've got the Metro right here, which is a nice thin, non-accident prone person, a person who's not accident prone. You don't drop your phone that much, or you just want something to style when you're not wearing the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So this is one. And like I said, by far, my favorite is the Unicorn Beetle Sport. So be sure to hit the links in the description, folks, so you can pick up yours. It's your man Jay. I'm in love with this case right here. Shout out to Supcase for hooking up all the cases for review. I appreciate it. And stay tuned for more, man. It's your man Jay. I'm out.